We work with a mix of technologies from leading vendors in the market. So that's why we try always to ensure the best performance for our customers, and Cegeka is encouraging this by providing us the needed training.
Onboarding program is really hands-on and tailor-made. For the first weeks, you'll get a buddy assigned that helps you with structured trainings. Also, you can learn by shadowing your colleagues on the job.
Yeah, we get to see each other every day in virtual meetings, of course, but a few times per year we get to see each other in person, and that really enhances the strong connection we have in the team.
As a senior storage engineer, you are involved in different projects in our team. For example, technology refreshes, automation development, and the development of new services for our customers.
As a storage team, we're always in for a good dinner, sometimes combined with an adventurous activity.
Dat gaan we opnieuw doen, denk ik.